Be an Expert series. Farm Animals by Amy Edgar. Cows are herbivores. They eat mostly grass. Moo. Expert fact. A dairy cow can produce more than 7 gallons of milk a day. That's more than 100 glasses. Goats. They like to live in big groups. Baby goats are called kids. Meh. Let's zoom in. Can you find these parts in the big picture? Beard, hooves, eyes, horns, pigs. They use their snouts to smell and to dig. Oink, oink. Barn buzz. Why do pigs wallow or roll in the mud? It helps them to keep cool. Sheep. Their bodies are covered in soft wool. Bah, bah. Expert fact. Sheep are not hurt when their wool is sheared or cut off. It's like getting a haircut. Wool is made into yarn to make warm sweaters. Dogs. Dogs herd and protect other farm animals. Ruff, ruff. Barn buzz. How do dogs herd sheep? Some dogs bark, nip, and run to help move the sheep. They might herd them toward more food or back to the farm. Horses. They are strong and fast. Zoom in. Find these parts in the picture. Mane, tail, muzzle, rabbits. They have strong back legs. They use them to hop. Expert fact. Most rabbits can turn their long ears to hear better. All the farm animals, they do many things on the farm. Thanks, farm animals. Expert quiz. Do you know the names of these farm animals? Then you are an expert. See if someone else can name them too. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Do you know the sounds these animals make? I hope you enjoyed this reading of the farm animals. See you next time.